Hey everyone, this is a video synopsis of the article Overview of Current Learning Theories for Medical Educators. Essentially, they're asking the question, how can medical educators adapt and provide standard teaching practices in innovative and efficient ways, considering medicine is always evolving? They reviewed 5 learning strategies based on Miriam and Caffarella. The first is behaviorist. This is the first step before moving forward to any other steps. It's a technical or psychomotor skill. The goal is a change in behavior. And they say that there's 3 basic assumptions. That the observable behavior is the focus of learning, the environment shapes the behavior, and reinforcement is central to the learning process. They always add with each step a implication for medical education. So this is more of a learning point for answering their initial question. For behaviorists, it's creating objectives. So the objectives should have a structure with performance or behavior, conditions, and criteria. The cognitivist orientation considers an individual learner and their thought process versus an external environment. This is critical thinking through reflection in 3 different stages: returning to and replaying the experience, attending to the feelings that experience provoked, and reevaluating the experience. The implications for medical education here are things like concept maps that actually illustrate relationships and reflective thinking. The humanist, this is a personal act necessary to achieve the learner's full potential. So the goal here is to produce an autonomous and self-directed learner. And the implications here would be things like computer-assisted simulations and self-directed learning methodologies. So problem-based learning, drill and practice exercises with immediate feedback, role-playing with an emphasis on self-directedness and self-evaluation. Social learning, this focuses on interactions and observations in a social context. The teacher here is responsible for modeling, guiding, and providing opportunities for the learner. And they break this down into role modeling, mentoring, collaborative, cooperative learning, and case studies. Last one is the constructivist. This is the newest framework, and it's integrating learning activities and experiences into knowledge and beliefs. The teacher here fosters critical reflection and negotiates meaning with the learners. So here the implications are things like reflective journaling, writing practice narratives, and developing course portfolios. Hope you're staying well.